Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on DJT, Trump, media and technology. Yeah guys, we have here a small pump, a small squeeze. This ticker is going wild. I want to give you here an updated chart analysis and of course the price goals here to the up and the downside. This is not financial advice guys, I just give you here my opinion based on the chart. If you're new to this channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually do that here by showing short squeeze stocks. Not only I show them guys, I try to predict them. And for DJT, it was very visible what is happening here. Why? Because we had here very clear buy signals in the chart. As I said guys, yeah, I cannot see the future, but I try to predict short squeezes here. And I released my video here on DJT on the 25th of September, where I said we have here a buy alert, watch quick. This is everything I can do guys. I can just provide the content here for you. That of course is no guarantee that something happens here, that this ticker will squeeze, but we can check what happened here since my video release. We had a lot of signals in the chart which already give us some hidden signals here. The market makers always leave their footprints in the chart guys, and when you know how to read these signals and understand how the market makers create these kind of shakeouts and panic sell-offs, then you also know when to catch a squeeze. So let's very quick simulate here. The 25th was here this date when I released my video. Let's have a very quick look what happened to DJT since. So let's use TradingView to simulate that. Abracadabra, let's press play. Boom, sayonara guys. So here we are, and you can see even in the pre-market trading here over $55. So what does that mean? Since I released my video, if you bought in, this is of course your decision guys, and there is no reason to FOMO. We have here already a pump in total of 377 freaking percent for DJT. That looks awesome guys. So but be very careful. We have here a lot of signals in the chart. I'm very honest guys. I don't live in America, so I don't follow up too much here the election, what is going on here. Yeah, I think the news will always tell you some reasons why a stock is going up and why a stock is going down. As I said, my buying signals, I already had them here at the 25th of September. For me, that was already, nothing is sure and guaranteed, don't get me wrong, but that was clear that we could see here a very big technical reaction, and also the price levels guys are clear. And therefore I enable my chart. Yeah, the previous shakeout level which we had, that's why it was the reason why I made this video here. So there was already here a very significant shakeout level for DJT waiting here at $17.62, but I said my personal buy-in price range starts here at $12.83. And in best case, we end up here in this range, guys. And sooner or later, I don't want to kill your hope, but please, guys, FOMO is very dangerous. Yeah, we will come back down sooner or later back to $10 and lower. But for now, we talk about the squeeze, yeah, because we have some open business here in the chart. You can, of course, watch my previous videos to find out why I think that or why we have that. So, guys, so what is going on here with DJT? So I think this Fibonacci retracement here we can delete. The purpose here of this squeeze has been to close the open gap here, the golden pocket on the Fibonacci retracement. I already mentioned that. We have one very strong resistance at $33, but the purpose of this move is also to retest the golden pocket here between 35.33 and 33.88, and this is done. For that reason, guys, I will delete this Fibonacci retracement. We don't want to overload the chart with information. So why we are here in the middle of a short squeeze, guys? Because we have here absolute incredible volume for DJT. And this is the problem. If this volume does not slow down here, the buying volume, of course, we see here how the buyers started to push this stock here. As I said, we had already here some hidden signals in the chart. I was pretty sure what's coming up, but now we have, of course, a very nice squeeze. There was a potential that we get rejected here, but we found support on this old white on the trend line here. This white trend line here supported the price of DJT in the past, so that was in favor here for a squeeze, and that was the reason why I was quite sure that when we come back here to the shakeout price levels that we see a technical reaction. Yeah guys, the next price level here, what we have to watch out for in favor of the bears as a resistance is $50 and 12 cents, guys. I mean, you can see that we are, of course, trading above that in the pre-market right now. There is the next price goal to the upside. So when we see where the candles here got rejected in the past, this is exactly where we are right now, guys. You can see here all these candles got rejected. We just had one gap up here above this price range, but then a very, very hard sell-off. So that's why I say, please don't FOMO in. Very important, yeah. It's your decision, not financial advice, but this is what I can tell you. So before we talk here about the price levels to the upside, because DJT was even trading here at $175, I want to show you something really quick, guys. If you missed this squeeze right now, there is no problem, guys. We have a lot of stocks in the market with high squeeze potential. I release here every week my so-called hot stocks. Every Sunday I release videos with tickers which have high squeeze potential, and also I post swing trade alerts on Patreon. So there are two kind of trading styles or trading stocks which have a high squeeze potential. And as I just mentioned before, I try to predict short squeezes here, which means when I release these kind of videos or posts, then I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days, guys. And last week we had here two very big squeezes, even if DJT is now up here in total almost 350%. We also had last week, guys, one of my hot stocks squeezed here 290%. One day after my video release, this ticker started to pump. That's why I say this is not a coincidence here with DJT. If you know how to read the signals, then you also know when the ticker could squeeze. There is never a guarantee, of course. And then we had also this at the same day here, guys. Last week, 21st of October, we had this ticker here. I released my video on Sunday, and this ticker squeezed 854%. Yeah, long story short, guys, if you want to see also these hidden short squeeze stocks here, you usually will not find them here on YouTube. Then you can join in, of course, here our trading community. The most popular membership, which I have right now, is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see here the benefits from the membership. And the thing is, guys, that Patreon will increase the membership fees by 30% starting November 1st. So you have 2 days or almost 3 days left now to join in if you want to save these additional 30%, which means the actual price which you see here on Patreon will not change if you join in before November 1st. For everybody who join in after November 1st, guys, the price will be increased. This is not what I'm doing. This is done by Patreon. So take your chance now. If you click here the info icon in the corner, guys, then you get access to my member link here for Patreon, guys. Yeah, we're growing here every day, getting bigger and stronger. So if you want to be a part of our community, guys, this is your chance right now. So, guys, so what do I think? Yeah, I give you my honest opinion. I don't want to hype you. I don't want to scare you. I give you my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is always depending on indicators and technicals, yeah? I have no emotions, yeah. I'm still trading here DJT, but I have no emotions. So when I see something like that, yes, of course, we could see here an absolute big short squeeze. The thing could just rip and create even all-time highs. Is this my kind of style of trading, guys? Not at the actual price levels, yeah. I want to get the lowest possible price levels here. That's why I informed about the situation which we have for DJT already here in September. But for now, there is just one resistance price level, guys. So if the market makers don't bring us lower than $50 today, this is of course now a gap up. We gapped up 2 times already here. So you can see that the first gap up was here yesterday from $39.45. We gapped up and squeezed until $47. And now, guys, we will start even over this very strong resistance level by the algos. This is very good that the market makers use the pre-market here to pump the price. But that doesn't mean that we will close today over $50, guys. I hope that for everybody, of course, that we just continue here to squeeze. But keep in mind, the market makers will try to bring the price below $50. And when we zoom out, what happened just this year in 2024 here, you can see just a few fake outs over this price level have been possible here. One gap up with a squeeze. You can see the orange field here. This is a gap up. And then boom, guys. Yeah, a very, very strong sell-off reaction. And this ticker lost here minus 70% in just a matter of days. What goes quick up comes quick down, so be very careful here. It's much more wise, in my opinion, to trade here, so the so-called post squeezes, how I call them, guys, instead of FOMOing in here. So keep that in mind. $50 is the price level where the market makers want to bring the price down. What happens now if we don't close below $50, guys. If we can keep pumping up here, yeah, guys, then we have just here one resistance waiting, and this is not a very strong resistance. This is a resistance here at $76. This is our next price goal. I want to show you also something here. What will happen here when the volume stays very high? And we can see that everything here over $64 here is the algo price level where the stock will start to pump, or where when the market makers cannot control the price between, I would say here, guys, yeah, $66. When the market makers cannot bring the price below $66, that is usually the moment where we see a big pump here. We can see how the price is reacting here. So this is something like a price level where the market makers are waiting to pump this stock. We can see we got rejected here once, twice. That's why I would say here over $66 is in favor here for a squeeze, or even a bigger short squeeze for DJT. So I will draw this line for you. This is not a big resistance here, guys. This is just an algo squeeze zone. As I said, the resistance is waiting here already at $50, guys. Yeah, and then $76 is the next price goal. $89 is then the next price goal. And guys, over $89, there is no man's land. So we could just continue to squeeze here, yeah, into not infinity, but you know, we could see much higher prices here. But be careful, guys. We struggled already here since 1 year to get over these price levels and failed. So be very careful here. But this is my update for you on DJT, guys. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, guys, this is everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is the chart program, what I use for all my trades, and of course here for all my videos. Yeah, you can see here on the scale the price levels here from the resistance levels. As I said, $50 and $33 are two big resistance levels. The white trend line here, by the way, could become our support again. So if we could, if you see a rejection here and come back down here in the $31 range, guys, here between $31 and $33, could be a support and could support the price for a next pump. Everything is here depending on the volume. If you want to copy the price levels, guys, yeah, I can offer you here a discount link for TradingView. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you use my link, you save $15. And if you click also the info icon here in the corner, then you get access to this discount link. Guys, I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, viel Erfolg mit DJT und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.